Welcome to Passive Cash Flow, a channel dedicated to guiding you towards financial independence through sustainable passive income streams. In a world brimming with opportunities and challenges, it's crucial to navigate the intricate balance between the gifts we are endowed with and the choices we make along the way. Today's video invites you to ponder the essence of pride, urging you to consider whether it lies in the gifts you've been given or the conscious decisions that steer the course of your narrative. Now, let's delve into the heart of our discussion, exploring the intricate web of gifts and choices that define who we are and who we aspire to become. Thank you for choosing to embark on this journey with us. While working at a financial firm in downtown Chicago, I found myself surrounded by an incredibly smart team. My boss, an outstanding person with outstanding talent, left an indelible mark on me. Fueled by enthusiasm, I approached him one day and revealed that I intended to start a company that sold books on the internet. In response to my entrepreneurial zeal, my esteemed boss suggested a thoughtful date, leading us on a contemplative stroll through Grant Park. His attentive ear absorbed the intricate details of my plan, and after careful consideration, he offered creative advice. Realizing the merits of this idea, he astutely observed that although this seemed a commendable venture, it might have been an even better endeavor for someone who had not have a good job. The insight he shared stayed in my thoughts long after the conversation, inspiring me to reflect on the nature of work and purpose. There, amidst the natural beauty of the park, it dawned on me. One can choose a job, cultivate a career, or discover a vocation. The latter, a calling, represents the pinnacle of completion. Fast forward a quarter of a century, and I find myself reminiscing about a chance encounter with a young visionary. I don't remember his name, but I was really impressed with his work ethic. He invited me to invest in his fledgling business project, a modest bookstore in his garage. Ready to conquer the online field. Doubt engulfed me when he confidently affirmed his desire to become the richest person on the planet, boasting an unprecedented wealth exceeding hundreds of billions of dollars. Back then, the concept of $100 billion was a statistical anomaly. Countries have not yet accumulated such huge debts, and the financial landscape seems unimaginable by today's standards. Yet there he stood, a pioneer with a firm belief in his truth. A garage and the internet were the catalysts for unprecedented success. Thinking about that pivotal moment, it became clear to me that the difference between him and me lay not in the audacity of his dreams, but in my skepticism and derision. While I scoffed and jokingly dismissed his vision, he was undeterred, praising himself for taking the right path at the right time. The lesson learned is profound. To mock someone's passion is to dangerously underestimate the transformative power inherent in relentless dedication and foresight. In the grand tapestry of life, choosing to pursue a calling, not just a job or career, is a profound and challenging decision. As my friend demonstrated, following one's passion, especially in the face of doubt, can lead to extraordinary results. So the next time you reflect on your career journey, consider the wisdom of pursuing your true passion, not merely the ephemeral charm of the day. In the end, I found myself compelled to take a leap of faith, convinced that regretting an attempt and potential failure paled in comparison to the haunting specter of never trying at all. Following careful deliberation, I opted for the less secure path, driven by an unwavering desire to pursue my passion. This decision, albeit riskier, is one I wear with pride. During my early years, I harbored dreams of being a garage inventor, concocting creations like an automatic gate closer made from cement-filled tires, a somewhat flawed solar cooker assembled from an umbrella and aluminum foil baking pan, and alarms designed to ensnare my unsuspecting siblings. The allure of invention had always captivated me, and it was a calling my younger self fervently embraced. Encouraged by those who believed in me, I embarked on the journey to follow my passion. A phrase from the military resonates deeply with me. Slow is smooth, and smooth is fast. This axiom, applicable across various pursuits, has been a guiding principle in my life, fostering the kind of progress that transcends haste. Life bestows upon us certain gifts, and the key lies in seizing those opportunities. However, my perspective on adversity and success revolves around taking pride not in inherent gifts, but in the dedication and choices one makes. In the realm of talents, you might find yourself naturally adept at math, a gift bestowed upon you. Yet, it's the relentless practice, the perseverance to push boundaries and navigate challenges that truly defines your character. One cannot take pride in gifts received, as they are mere endowments. Gratitude is appropriate, but the choices you make, the commitment to hard work, and the willingness to tackle arduous tasks are the facets that deserve pride. In essence, we all possess a tapestry of gifts, but it's the choices we make that carve our unique life stories. Everyone in this room is gifted in myriad ways, but it's the conscious decisions to work hard, face challenges, and shape our narratives that truly set us apart. Be grateful for your gifts, but be proud of the choices that propel you toward your aspirations. In the tapestry of existence, we find ourselves endowed with a multitude of gifts. Yet, it's essential to recognize that pride in these innate abilities is misplaced, for they are bestowed upon us, not earned. Whether it be physical stature, mathematical prowess, or striking beauty, these are the given facets of our being. True pride finds its roots in the realm of choices, the decisions that shape the narrative of our lives. Amidst the myriad of choices we face, one of the most pivotal is the dichotomy between a life of ease and comfort or a life of service and adventure. Consider, when you reach the venerable age of 80, which path will evoke a deeper sense of pride? Undoubtedly, it is the choice to embrace a life replete with service and adventure. We stand at an unprecedented juncture in history, a time when the world brims with inspiration, change, and limitless opportunities. The canvas of your life, one that you author from scratch, beckons you to ponder the deployment of your gifts and the choices you make. As the narrative unfolds, will you succumb to inertia, opting for a predictable existence, or will you seize the reins of your destiny with courage and purpose? The questions before you are profound. How will you use your gifts? What choices will you carve into the fabric of your existence? Will you succumb to dogma or forge a path of originality? Opt for a life of ease or embrace one filled with service and adventure? When faced with criticism, will you wilt or stand steadfast in your convictions? In matters of love, will you guard your heart against rejection or bravely act upon your emotions? The trajectory of your journey hinges on the choices you make. In times of challenge, will you play it safe or exhibit a swashbuckling spirit? Confronted with setbacks, will you yield or exhibit relentless determination? The dichotomy persists. Will you become a cynic or a builder? In moments of intellectual prowess, will you be clever at the expense of others or choose keenness as your guiding principle? Recognize the power inherent in providing tools and services that empower others to unleash their creativity. The fortunate ones among us have careers, not mere jobs. Loving what you do is the key to achieving greatness, as exemplified by the likes of Jules Verne, Mark Twain, Galileo, and Newton. In the grand tapestry of civilization, with its collective gifts and individual talents, your choices resonate profoundly. As you sit before me, consider the journey ahead, a narrative shaped by the interplay of your gifts and choices. Will you take pride in the gifts bestowed upon you, or will you derive pride from the conscious choices that define your character? The answer lies within you. And as we conclude this journey into the profound interplay of gifts and choices, I encourage you to reflect on the unique tapestry of your own life. If you found inspiration and resonance in our exploration, consider subscribing to our channel for more thought-provoking content that seeks to ignite your curiosity and spark meaningful reflections. Your engagement is invaluable to us, so don't forget to hit the like button if you appreciated the insights shared. By doing so, you not only show support for our endeavor, but also contribute to creating a community that values the exploration of life's deeper facets. Thank you for being a part of this meaningful conversation. Let's continue shaping narratives, making conscious choices, and celebrating the gifts that make each of us unique. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the journey ahead.